What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. And guys, the Bitcoin price had its breakout through the inverse head and shoulders here. Guys, this target was perfectly nailed. And guys, check out Electroneum, guys. I was talking about it hitting 3 cents before the end of the month, guys. And let's be real here. We just broke 4 cents briefly. These are just biblical times in cryptocurrency, guys. I couldn't be happier. I know so many of you have bought an Electroneum within the last year and are sitting in amazing profits, guys. Be sure to share that in the comments. I even want to see what you guys are up to. I want to know how much money you guys have made. This is just epic. I'm blown away with my gains, so I hope you guys are too. And guys, there is no time to waste. A breakout is imminent. It's going to happen very soon in the Bitcoin price. Guys, I wanted to go over that today. If you're not subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button, smash the like button, and guys, I'm going to dive right into the price action. All right, guys, so check it out. We've definitely had a very interesting few days here, and I was actually commenting in my Discord channel this morning. Wow, I woke up with deja vu, and there's obvious reasons for it, guys. Let's check this out. So look right here. We have another inverse head and shoulders right here. Okay. Break right through the median line right there. And guys, what's really nice about that is the target's already hit, guys, very easily. And we smashed right into it, guys. Definitely an epic trade, guys. Let me know if you caught that. I know a few students actually did because they showed it to me in some of their graphs. I'll say straight up, you know, Salu, congratulations, man. You pulled that out beautifully. That was beautiful to see. Guys, I love seeing when you guys make excellent trades like that. Okay, that is epic. And guys, I got so many people to single out right now. It's just incredible. Danny, KK, you know, John. There's so many people that have made some excellent profits, guys. I'm not going to divulge what they made, but guys, they have made some serious money learning how to trade and learning their own financial freedom, guys. It is just epic. And guys, basically what I'm looking for in the Bitcoin price is a few things, okay? So we've had a lot of resistance, you know, right where we're at right here. Remember, we just broke down out of this triangle, new pattern was formed. But guys, if you look right here and right here. Okay, look how similar these patterns look. Okay, they look very close. So for instance, the price went down, up, down, up, down, went up, down, went up, down, went up, down, went up. And guys, look at this. They look very close to the same. Okay, very close. Okay. So we're probably getting a fractal pattern here, meaning we're probably going to get a pump up just like this. And if you can see right here, I'm expecting something like this to kind of form out, okay, over here, okay, over here, guys. So that's what I'm looking for. But guys, there's definitely a bigger pattern playing out right now. Let's draw it out, okay. So I'm going to zoom out a little bit just so I can get this clear. Then we're going to start right here and go all the way across. I'm going to make this nice and white so you guys can see it. So guys, clear as day, we have a descending triangle playing out right here. Now guys, let's be real. Descending triangles do tend to break to the downside. So for instance, if we have that same kind of pattern play out up here, we could end up kind of just teetering around over here and then looking for a breakout over here. Now, will it break up or break down, guys? We're going to have to analyze that on the go, okay? We're not psychic. We can't just, you know, say it's going one way or the other yet. We don't know. So, again, guys, watch for a pattern to play out. You know, this could be even a little bull flag playing out, and maybe we could just punch straight up. Basically, if we break this resistance here, I will be very, very bullish, okay? But there's other things I'm looking for, and in simplicity, I'm going to bring up the 55, okay? So I was telling several students yesterday that once we broke the EMA 55 on the 1 hourly, I would flip back to short-term bullish. So guys, that's exactly what happened last night. And yes, I put in my trade last night. Okay, so I'm long already. I'm holding along. And I have my stop loss bumped up into the profit. Okay, guys? So again, what I'm watching for is just to see how this plays out. As long as we stay above the EMA 55 on the hourly in simplicity, I'm definitely bullish. But then, you know, guys, bring in your other indicators so you get a better story of what's going on. So what's really interesting, guys, is you're going to notice I really like playing the EMA 7 with my 20 and 55 these days. And it's because of how it breaks out. So for instance, you notice that crossing right through the resistance of the pattern, right through the 20, You know, it's just a great indicator, guys. So it really shows breakout plays. I really like that. Now when you combine other indicators, your Bollinger Bands, your Stotch, your MACD, oh man, guys, it just becomes a clear story. So let's see how this plays out over the next day here. Let's see what forms out. Are we going to get a mimicking pattern like we just saw? Or are we going to get something a little bit new? Are we going to pump straight out of this and, you know, do what is unexpected essentially because of the descending triangle? Remember, 70-30, that's strong percentage-wise. But guys, let's go to another chart for a second. Okay guys, so this is a chart that I have laid out showing the major pumps and major dumps. And this is just on the hourly time frame, but this is spread out over, you know, this whole year so far. So for instance, you know, we had a 28-day pump, 14-day crash, 30-day pump, 7-day crash, 32-day pump. And what I'm trying to focus on right here is, guys, when we pumped up, we were below this median line, below the median line again. And here we were kind of right on it, and now we are below it. So guys, I'm kind of just, you know, looking for the price to kind of dip back like this and eventually kind of reach up to that target. And let's be real here, guys. This is a very modest target. That's only 82% pump. Basically, every single pump we've had this year has been more than that. Okay, so I'm expecting, you know, technically a bigger move, but I wanted to project it pretty modestly. So, you know, we could definitely end up there, you know, mid-April or even the beginning of April if the bullish sentiment continues. But guys, if, you know, we pump over 82%, we'll easily be above $80,000 is what I'm getting at. So in short, as long as we hold above this purple reverse pressure line and this support that we've formed, okay, we're definitely in good shape. Okay, so let's watch for that to actually happen. Okay, use your EMAs, use your indicators. Okay guys, they're there for a reason. Use them. Okay, now I want to talk about a few other coins. Let's talk about Electroneum. All right guys, so I'm just gonna keep it short and sweet here, guys. I couldn't be any happier with Electroneum. I've been pushing you guys hard since 0.00 and change to buy this coin. So any of you that did are up big time. So congratulations to all who believed when the going was tough. And let's be real here, guys, that bull theory I was talking about is starting to play out. All right, we're moving up the bull right now. And, you know, it's just really exciting to see this happen. And, you know, we had this ascent, we had this horizontal triangle right here. Okay, and that broke out and we easily hit it. And if, say, like we played the wedge even, that broke out and was actually perfectly hit, guys. Look at that, perfect. That doesn't get any better than that. And guys, if you look at it, maybe we could even be getting a bull flag right there, and that's why we had that big pump right there. So let me just move that over. So say like we had, you know, a little small flag right here. Again, it's you know, it's tight. We had a pump right out of it. Let's say even from the point of breakout all the way down here. Okay, so that target was easily hit, guys. Easily. All right, easily hit, guys. Look at that. So, guys, I just got to say, you know, just epic times. It doesn't get any better than this, guys. You know, I think we could even be forming another flag right here, which means we could be punching up. I mean, we're riding above the 7. Basically, you know, I'm going to be short-term bullish as long as we're above the EMA 55 on the hourly here. So, guys, you know, this is just some really exciting times for Electroneum. Share your story with the community, guys, because you have an excellent story to tell. And guys, I wanted to talk about one more coin. I wanted to talk about Mana. Okay, guys, so we definitely had a very interesting moment right here with Mana. For instance, we were kind of overbought here, breaking out of this descending wedge, and we finally broke out of it. Okay, but we could just be forming a new pattern right here. So for instance, if I just move this over, you know, we're in another wedge. We're kind of playing around it. And what's really interesting is we have this big support zone that we're definitely teetering around in. And as of right now, the EMA 720 is above the 55. Okay, so I'm still bullish short term on the hourly time frame. Again, guys, if we get a cross over the 55 and we get some negative volume in, for instance, okay, pushing above the moving average, okay, which is this orange line down here, okay, we can expect to see that drop below the 55. Okay, other than that, I am looking for a breakout to the upside. Okay, if we can continue this bullish sentiment, for instance, if this could be just a, you know, a little bull flag here. Okay, it's kind of hard to make out, but let's be real. It could actually be a bull flag pumping right here, in which case, from point of breakout, you know, we could easily pump out of this wedge. Okay, guys, so I'm watching for a breakout on Mana as well. And man, I think this coin is going to surpass all-time high. We're going to be up over $2 within the next next month easily. And you guys are going to learn. I do my projections pretty modestly. Okay, like I'll never surf high. You know what I mean? I just won't do that. I'll surf lower, if anything, than higher. Okay, guys, so I've seen a lot of projections, $5, $9 this year. Let's take it one step at a time and hold $1 and work up towards 2 first, guys. Let's be real. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at in Mana, guys. And guys, that's all the time I have for today. I wanted to keep it real short and sweet. I've got students lined up all afternoon. These are just biblical times, guys. We are just all having a blast. I really, guys, I want you guys to hear this right now. I'm offering a service to teach you guys how to do leverage trading, basically, on your own. The goal is for you guys to not need me eventually. So like I said, the quicker you can adapt to my teaching, the better, obviously. But most people so far, it takes them, about 5-10 hours, and they're jumping off making their own money, guys. I have nothing but success, nothing but happiness. It's just epic times. I'm meeting all kinds of new people, all kinds of personalities, and the reality is I haven't met a client that can't do this yet. I haven't met one. Okay, it's really exciting. Yes, guys, let's be real here for a second. This is hard stuff. It's not easy. Let's be real. If you have some bad anxieties or troubles in your life, or you have a very busy work schedule, this isn't for you. But if you're looking to make money through leverage trading and you can dedicate time to the charts, do your homework that I give you and actually try to make a change in your financial life, by dedicating time to technical analysis and making trades, then this is for you. All right, I have changed my life through cryptocurrency and trading, guys. I've done the 9-to-5 jobs. I've worked the businesses. I've put in the time. Let's be real, guys. It didn't get me anywhere. Trading got me to where I am today. I made more in the last year than I made in my entire life combined, and it's really incredible. It's really hard to just explain to you guys. Like, the sooner you guys can get started, the better. And guys, if you're a new student, please just be very patient with the startup process. It's definitely a little bit of emailing back and forth getting started. And I have a buddy, Mitch, who's helping with the onboarding process, guys. So if you email bitcoindestar@gmail.com, you're going to get a response from Mitch, and he's going to be handling the onboarding, guys. I'm too swamped at this point. I got to just focus on the teaching. And guys, all I can say is you are in the best of hands. It doesn't get any better than this. And let's be real, guys, I'm offering this real cheap as of now. Next year I'm going to have a website. It's going to be a little bit more distant, like every other YouTube channel out there. You're going to have to just sign up through a website, pay, and then you end up in Zion, and we take care of you from there. But we're still offering a very personal experience here, guys. So just please understand that these are some really good times to make profits, guys, especially during this bull cycle. Reach out to me today at bitcoindestar@gmail.com. Remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. And with cryptocurrency, I make it as simple as just riding that wave. Guys, I am Crypto Matrix. I will catch you guys later.